How to withdraw in Twist. Are you guys facing issues to withdraw on Citipool? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To withdraw points on Citipool application, first of all, open Citipool on your mobile device. Once you open the Citipool, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile over here. Tap on profile. After you click on profile, click on bonus program. Once you click on bonus program, you'll be able to see this option for withdraw. You are looking to withdraw, right? Just simply tap on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, select your wallet. Once you click on your wallet, or just simply connect to NC wallet. Now, from there, you'll be able to withdraw your points. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to withdraw balance on Citipool. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.